Can you just touch on the scope of this market analysis report and maybe some of the bandwidth that had gone into producing it?
Well, Luke, thanks for having me today. The scope of this report is quite extensive. It examines the global market for advanced metering infrastructure from the years 2022 out to 2027. We cover a range of sectors. That's the residential, commercial, and industrial markets. We focus on the three main applications for AMI, which is gas, water, and electricity. We touch on all the various components that comprise that infrastructure. That's the terminal devices, the backhaul technologies, cloud services. We look at growth trends across four major regions. That would be Asia, EMEA, North America, and Latin America. And we even drill down to country-specific geographies as well. In addition, we provide insights into almost 100 ecosystem participants, suppliers, and many of those may be of interest for acquisition candidates if some larger suppliers are interested in verticalization efforts. When we look at all 100 of those, we analyze those leading suppliers and their product mix. We have smaller amounts of research into some of the earlier market entrants. But then again, we looked at some smaller pieces of the technology in terms of communication modules, communication technologies, is it wireless or power line, data collectors, software platforms, even the benefits and challenges of whether they're battery powered or line powered, for example.